Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Snibe MAGLUMI Anti-dsDNA IgG CLIA. This reagent is used to determine of anti-DNA antibodies in human serum and plasma for the Snibe MAGLUMI series. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. Over here we can see the product name MAGLUMI Anti-dsDNA IgG CLIA chemiluminescence immunoassay method. Here we can see the contents of this kit: 2.0 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 8 ml buffer, 13 ml AB label, 15 ml dilute, 1 ml control 1, 1 ml control 2. Over here we can see the reference number 130617502M, then lot number, then expiry date. Here we can see this is C certificate IVD product. The pictorial representation shows one instruction manual inside this kit. We can store away from direct sunlight. We should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. We can do 50 tests using this reagent kit. Over here we can see the manufacturing details of this product. The manufacturing country of this product is China. So the origin of the kit is China. Here we can see the manufacturing details of this kit clearly. This is a front view of this product. In this front view we can see the details of this kit. This is the top view. In this side we can see a blank space. In this side we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. On the back side we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. On this side we can see the product name MAGLUMI. Over here we can see the product name MAGLUMI Anti-dsDNA IgG. The reference number of this kit 130617502M. Then lot number, then expiry date. This is overall representation of this product. Now I am going to unpack this for your reference. You can open this side. Here we can see clearly the products inside. So I am take this out one by one. After unpacking we can see the first product is instruction manual. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. Here we can see this is C certificate IVD product. The reference number of this kit is 130617502M, 50 tests per kit. Here we can see the product name MAGLUMI Anti-dsDNA IgG CLIA. This kit contains indentives, summary, test principle, reagents, warnings and precautions, reagent handling. These are the stuff, storage and stability. These are the stuff inside this instruction manual. I am going to keep this aside. And the next product is a reagent seal. Here we can see dsDNA MAGLUMI reagent seal. And the next one is control stickers. The first 4 one is Anti-dsDNA IgG control 1. The second 4 nurses is Anti-dsDNA IgG control 2. These are the stickers for control 1 control 2. And next one is a QC certificate provided by Snibe Diagnostics. And next one is, I am going to keep this aside. And next one is the control solutions. This packed in a cover. I am going to unpack this for your reference. After unpacking we can see clearly there are two control solutions. The white color cap contains control 1 and the red color cap contains control 2. I am going to take this one out. Here we can see this is a MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml Anti-dsDNA IgG control 1. So the next one is MAGLUMI, volume of 1 ml, Anti-dsDNA IgG control 2. So these are the control solutions. I am going to keep this aside. And the final one is MAGLUMI Anti-dsDNA IgG CLIA. This kit contains 2 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 8 ml buffer, 13 ml AB label, 15 ml dilute. Here we can see the back side. These are the reagent solution contained in this kit. So far I am going for summary. Here we go for summary. Today we can see about the Snibe MAGLUMI Anti-dsDNA IgG. This kit contains one instruction manual, a reagent seal, a control stickers, a QC certificate provided by Snibe, a control solutions. Both control solutions contains a volume of 1 ml. A reagent kit. This kit contains 2 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 8 ml buffer, 13 ml AB label, 15 ml dilute. This is overall view. Thank you.